Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to fix Messenger not sending messages. Okay, so when we try to open our Messenger application on our device, okay, so let me go to my Messenger application. Oh my god, I lost it. Okay, and then try opening a conversation, and then try sending a message to someone. As you can see, the message that you have tried to send is does not have a check mark because we don't have an internet connection. So we'll just have to go to our Wi-Fi settings or cellular data settings and then turn it on in order to have an internet connection. So as you can see, your message has now been sent to someone. Okay, now the second thing that you can do, if someone if you try to send a message to someone and the message you could not send a message, it means that someone has blocked you on Messenger or Facebook. So even if you can see a check mark here, still if they're not going to reply back, it means that they have blocked you on Messenger or Facebook, or maybe they're just busy and they could not make it to reply to your messages. Okay, now the second thing that you can do is just to go to your Play Store application on your device and then search for your Messenger application. Okay, this method is to check if your application is updated and if you need to update your Messenger app. Okay, so since our Messenger is updated, so we're gonna be able to see the update button here. Now, if it's still not going to work, you'll have to go to your web browser and then search for the down detector. Okay, so now you'll just have to use the search icon and then search for the Messenger application. Now you just have to tap on it, and then here you can see the details of the app or the problem that the app is encountering as of the moment. So you'll just have to wait until it is fixed. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.